Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best shipping rates for your Shopify store. We'll go over the shoulder in a little bit, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. And this is all about more shipping options for your store and how to do it the right way. And there's no doubt that shipping is one of the most important parts of the transaction, probably the most important part for your customer, right, in terms of actually getting the product shipped to them at in a timely fashion without spending too much, and of course getting it there safely. Obviously very important, right? And the customer, they don't really care about who's shipping it or how much it's costing you. They just care about getting it to them at a fair price, right? So you want to be able to have multiple different options when it comes to shipping, and you want to be able to compare these options directly inside of Shopify. And the best way to do that, a real popular strategy for stores, is to use the FlamesoftShip Shopify app. It's going to allow you to automate label printing. It's going to allow you to manage multiple orders at once. And it's going to give you this cool kind of shopper comparison tool that will literally allow you to see all these different live rate options at the same time. So you'll always have the best option for your store and for your customers. And you might run into some pain points if you kind of want to implement this without the app, because there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need that FlamesoftShip app in order to do this. And you want to find an app that's super easy to use, require no prior technological skill. And I'm going to show you over the shoulder just how easy it is to use. But really, most importantly, we want an app that's going to allow for live rate shopping, so we can quickly and easily compare options to find the best rates and the best delivery times for our customers. And if you want to do this the right way, you're going to use FlamesoftShip. This is what I use. This is what I highly recommend. And you see the link directly below this video. I'm going to go over the shoulder and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this. You're going to see this tool in action, and it's going to be very clear. First of all, super easy to use, but you're going to see how it's going to be able to be leveraged into your store to immediately have the best shipping options available. Now we can go over the shoulder to see the FlamesoftShip app over here. It's going to simplify shipping. It's going to give you those real-time rates, rate shopping, I should say, and automated label printing. And all you need to do is press the install button over here to get this installed in your store. Totally free to get started, totally free to get this in your store. Again, you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go step by step now. I'm going to press the install button, and we will set this up, and I'll show you this in one of my stores right now. So after you press install, you'll be brought over here to the permissions page. All you need to do is press the install button. This is going to make the connection between Flamesoft and Shopify. You'll then be loaded into FlamesoftShip. And everything is contained right in here. There's some welcome information to kind of get you started so you understand exactly how this works. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know. Over here, we've got the different plan options over here. You'll see the different fee structures over here, the different amount of users. Basically just has to do with the size of your business and the amount of shipments. You could select any plan there, but you're going to be starting on the preview plan. And I'll show you what that means, but you'll be able to make test shipments. You'll be able to see exactly how this works very easily. So in the top menu over here, you're going to have different settings, for example, carriers. And we'll click over here. We have different options in terms of the different carriers that we have. USPS, for example, we could edit them. We could turn them off in terms of inactive or active. Coming over here, back on, we have our wallet, right? We'll want to come over here. And again, we're in preview right now, but we'll want to load up our wallet. That's going to allow us to buy these shipment labels, get it done real nice and easy all inside the app. You've got your overall settings over here. So you could do default package dimensions. Maybe your default box is 12 by 5 by 2 or 12 by 5 by 5, whatever it is. Your default weight, maybe it's 1.5 pounds, right? Maybe it's 0.5 pounds, right? Maybe it's 1.2 pounds. You could put that in here. You'll be able to put in and load up your address in here, especially when it comes to your return address. And you could have options in terms of what's going to show up when you open up this app. Over here, Flamesoft plans, again, talking about which plan you're going to go with. And you see different shipment numbers over here, really built perfectly for any growing business. You find exactly which one you need. But we're still in preview plan over here. See some more options over here in terms of label output selector, especially if you have a label printer like a Dymo. Really great to have that inside here. You got your settings again right inside here. And it's really good to use this to kind of set a default. You could change it every time, but if you have default, you won't have to change it for most of your shipments. You got a cool AI assistant as well. You could literally talk directly to the FlamesoftShip assistant using AI. But the most important thing is going to be our Shopify orders. And when we click Shopify orders or come over here to Shopify orders, we're going to see all of our different orders here. And we could tab through open orders, shipped orders, all orders, right? But what we're going to be doing here, of course, is shipping orders. That's the whole point of this app. And you see all the different orders that are open. And watch just how easy this is to ship an order. We'll go with 1020, open this up. It's going to pull in all the information automatically, of course, from our Shopify store. These are the real Shopify orders, information, ship to address, all that great stuff. We're going to come over here. We're going to enter in our shipment size. We're going to enter in the weight. And within one click, we're going to see our entire option tree be loaded inside here. This is really cool. We're seeing it all here in terms of a timeline, in terms of numbering here, next day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. And this is going to take into consideration where you're shipping from, right? And we're literally going to be able to see all of the different options. And this is so powerful for stores here because we get to now offer all different types of shipping. You want to offer expedited shipping. You want to offer faster processing times. You want to offer expedited delivery, right? These are upsells. These are things you could charge more for. And you have full control by seeing all of your different options, all the different timelines, and of course, most importantly for you, the costs here. And let's say we're going to go, okay, I want to go with Ground Advantage. It looks like it's 2-day. Come over here, click Create Shipment. Just like that. Of course, yours is not going to say void. Ours is just a little demo right now because we're in the preview plan. But you'll have it ready to go. You can go print it out. If you connected your label printer, print it right to your label printer. Just like that. Very easy. Doesn't matter if it's USPS. Doesn't matter whatever carrier you want. Let's take a look at another order. Okay, we got 1034. Here's another order. Package size, package weight, get rates. Okay, just like that. We're going to have it down here again, showcasing our different different carriers, different timelines to the location. Okay, let's go priority, create shipment, and literally just like that, creating the shipment, good to go, print it out, slap it on the box, done. All right, super, super easy to use FlameSoft Ship. So that was FlameSoft Ship. As you saw, super easy to use, really powerful, and just within a couple clicks, you have power to have all these different shipping options, multi-carrier support, be able to print all your shipping labels, do bulk management of your orders. Very, very powerful, very easy to use. Going to give you all of the shipping options that you need live in real time. Again, highly recommended. FlameSoft Ship, you see the link directly below this video. I hope this helps you make some money and offer the best shipping rates to your customers in your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please post a comment. Otherwise, I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.